In ArcGIS Pro, we can easily change the coordinate system of our map. For that, right click on the map and go to Properties. Then go to the coordinate system. In this coordinate system, you will find a lot of coordinate systems are there. You will find the layer coordinate systems, you will find the geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system. You can also search here for any coordinate system. Suppose we want to convert our map into web marketer, then search with the EPG code and we can find the coordinate system. We can also search with the alphabets such as NAD, NAT, and under UTM we will find any coordinate system that we need. Let's convert it to web marketer. And click apply. Then you will see your current XY coordinate system is web marketer. We will see how to change the coordinate system of a shapefile. First, let's import a shapefile. We will import the US state boundary. Now let's zoom to layer. Let's check the coordinate system of this layer. Go to properties and then source, expand spatial reference. Here you can see that this is the geographic coordinate system WGS 1984 and the code is 4326. Now let's see how to change the coordinate system of this layer. Now go to Analysis tab and then Tools. This will open the geoprocessing toolbox. Then go to the data management tool, expand this, and under the data management tool you will find projections and transformation, expand this one, and finally click on project. It will project spatial data from one coordinate system to another. Now in input dataset feature class we will provide our layer, and here you can change the output dataset location and name. We will use the default one, and output coordinate system we can select a coordinate system from here if we have any coordinate system in our layers, and if we want to select a new coordinate system that is not in our layers, then we need to select this one. And then let's search for web marketer. And under the project world we will find the web marketer coordinate system. Select this one and you will see this one is loaded, and now click OK. If you check on this you will see more accurate data. Now click Run button. The projection is done. Let's close this dialog and you will see, if we turn off our main shape, we can see this one is the projected shape. Let's right click and see the properties and click on source, and then go to spatial reference. Under the spatial reference you will see the shapefile has been converted to web marketer projected coordinate system. First let's import a raster layer. Go to catalog and then we will import an NDVI image. This is our image. Let's change the symbology a little bit so that it looks good. Now let's see the coordinate system of this layer. Go to properties and then source, then expand spatial reference, and here we can see that this is geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. We want to change it to web marketer. Let's click OK. Now click on analysis, then tools. It will open the geoprocessing toolbox in the right, then expand data management tools, and then projections and transformation, then raster, and then click project raster. This will transform a raster dataset from one coordinate system to another. Now in input raster we need to select our NDV image, and we can change the name and location of output raster. We will use the memory for now, so it will write the raster in the memory and it will be lost when we close our project. And then output coordinate system, if we can select any layer coordinate system, then we can select from here, but we do not want to select one of these. We need to go to this button and then search for any coordinate system. Let's search for web marketer and enter. Now expand projected coordinate system and world, and you will see the web marketer coordinate system. If you select this one, it is updated, and click OK. The resampling method, we can select any resampling method, and if we want to change the output cell size we can do it, but for now let's go for the default one and let's run. The reprojection is done. Let's close this and uncheck our previous NDVI image, and this is the reprojected NDVI. For visualization we can change the symbology as well. And close. This way you can change the projection system of any raster. Thanks for watching.